Okay, so this is the Mac Mini. Now on this one, I'm building off the USB, which have OS X on it, and I haven't connected the external hard drive yet, which have the operating system, which we're going to clone with the failing hard drive. So the internal SSD has nothing on it at the moment. So we're going to use Carbon Cloner. We're running 10.12. High Sierra, so we can use 5. Now, the internal hard drive is not formatted yet, so let's do that. It's a new SSD, so you may not need to do this. If you have a file system on it, you can already use. So I'm going to erase and call this, we'll give it a name later. Why not? We'll give it a name now. SSD. That's fine. Okay, SSD, great. Now we're going to plug in our external hard drive, which has the customer's faulty hard drive plugged in, and waiting for it to pop up, maybe on the right there, on the banner, or if we have a look at disk utility again. There we go, it's popped up. APFS case sensitive. Jesus, okay. So in that case, we've got a problem. So disk utility, we need to erase this one. Gee, this guy doesn't know about that type of hard drive. Okay, what do we do? Okay. Source, sorry. Choose a different source. Got a bigger problem. Bummer. Okay. I need to update this one. Okay. Well, we might as well do that. So what I'm going to do, let's eject customer's hard drive. Okay, it's already ejected. We can safely pull it out. Okay. Is Catalina still available? Let's log into my account, store, sign in. Store. Let's go to purchased. And Catalina, where are you? Okay, we're in a bit of a trouble. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we'll come back when this is finished. Okay, we're on the Mac Mini and we currently got Catalina one here, 10.15, okay, 14, sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do now is download. What we're going to do, download Carbon Clone. And also have a look at disk utility. Now Catalina I've got running there. I don't want to plug that out. This is my 10 point, I think it was 10.12 or 10.13. Let's unmount this and we're gonna eject. Yep. And we're going to, while that's downloading, allow. I'm looking at through OBS, very small screen, so I'm not blind, it's just hard to read. Okay. Open, move, okay. Now, we need to format the internal hard drive. What happened? Oh, come on. Okay, let me try that again. What happened there? Okay, I'm going to format the internal hard drive, erase, and we're gonna make it, yeah, case sensitive, same as what's on the drive which we're going to clone. Okay, the drive that we're going to clone, I'm going to plug that in next. Okay, that's ready. So okay, it's still coming up. Alright, I'm going to plug in the customer's hard drive in. Taking a long time, which is unusual. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Okay. Agree. Trial. Okay. Source, Macintosh, SSD, okay, just double check the partitioning one more time. So client 1 is APFS, so they got 14.6, okay. And we've got, I really can't see that, okay. Okay. We should be fine then. So clone the hard drive to the SSD, simple. Clone. Oh God, okay. Okay. Great. So we'll let this run, and then we should be able to boot this computer straight off the internal SSD. We should be good. Okay, so we're back, and let's see what's happening. Cloning is finished. The moment of truth. We're gonna shut the computer down, eject our USBs, and the computer should boot from the internal SSD with the customer's data, and we should have a big performance difference. Let's see. Okay, waiting for the power light. Everything's off. USBs are off. Here we go. Take out one, two USB, then you got keyboard and mouse, HDMI, and power. Here we go. It should boot off the internal SSD now. Still nothing on the screen. Input is correct. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we will see customer login here. Which I'll pause. Too late. Okay. Okay, let's see the difference. That is a huge difference, and I believe it should start to do syncing, indexing if you like, of all the files. Yeah, 1014 storage. We now have an SSD. Now, normally it wasn't even load this quick. I would still be waiting. I'm not sure if you got internet connection. No internet. That's fine. But yeah, there's a big difference in performance. It was definitely a failing hard drive. And just check their apps. Anything unusual? No, nothing like MacKeeper or anything. And one thing I also like to check is profiles. Make sure there are no profiles set up. I don't see it, so I think that's safe. Nope, no profiles. Okay. If you have profiles, this generally means you're infected with some kind of a malware, or that your computer is managed by a corporate policy. If it's the second case, that's fine. Still no internet. Okay, how about Wi-Fi? What's happening with the Wi-Fi? Wrong one. What the hell? What's Shanghai? Let's try that. Yeah, we're online. Sweet. Yeah, the user will be very happy. And yeah, it's not indexing anymore either. And have a look at activity monitor. Nope, that's all fine. Okay. No, that's all fine. Yeah, that's about it for this. Thank you for watching. This one was a bit tricky. I could have, I mean, if you're wondering, I could have simply installed the same version of operating system and used Migration Assistant. I just didn't want the user to go through and enter passwords for every other app. This way everything is preserved from previous. Yeah, so that's about it. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.